Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, when I got my lathe, when I got the Raglan lathe over there, it came with a 3-jaw and a 4-jaw. The 3-jaw, it's not bad, it does the jaw, but it seems to collect chips. Behind this, there's like a plastic backing on the back of the chuck, and the chips seem to manage to get into it somehow, so then it gets gritty. And not only that, but the grub screws that hold these adjuster screws, one of them was slightly burred off. Well, not much of a problem, I just sanded it and it's been working great that for the past few months. But the 4-jaw that I got with the lathe, this wasn't so good. Now it's a Pratt 4-jaw chuck, and it's been used for something else, hence why it's all scratched and dinged up. Now another problem with this 4-jaw was, I don't know if you can see that, but there's splits in the screw adjusters there. This was a bad one, but not as bad as that one's got none in it. That one's alright, that one's alright, that one's split, and that one was virtually disintegrated. So I filled it with weld, filed some new threads into the end, and cut a flat in it for a screwdriver, so you can tighten it with a screwdriver, which is a bit of a faff, because when you're truing a piece of work up in the chuck, you can't get any twitch on that because it's a screwdriver, so you've got to over tighten that and then put extra twitch on this side, so it's not ideal. So anyway, I've been looking for a new 4-jaw. They're all about 300 quid each, aren't they? And then as soon as you get one, yeah, folk are giving them away. So I've been looking for a 4-jaw for the Raglan. Eventually I did find one. This nice, straight, in decent condition 4-jaw chuck. Don't know who's made it, but anyway, it did come with some extras as well, which I'll show you in a minute. So I've got that. I've got this spare mounting bracket with the Raglan, so I'm going to mount that onto there, and I'll have a 4-jaw then, and then I'll just park this one up because it still does I've been using it for a few months now, and it's just a bit of a faff getting things true in it, whereas this one, well, just perform like a normal chuck. But I'll show you what else I've got with this chuck. Right guys, so what did I get extra with my 300 quid 4-jaw chuck? I've got a 3-jaw chuck, 8-inch 3-jaw chuck, that's a Pratt, fair unit. And then to go with that, you may guess, what a lathe. So it's a Colchester Colchester Master, I think. So yeah, rather than just buying chucks, just buy a lathe and you get 2 chucks anyway. This is just going to be a project for another video, guys. It's going to want some work. Spindle's got a bit of slop in it, so it'll either want new bearings or tightening up. But I'll run it up now anyhow, you can have a look at it running. I don't think there'll be any oil in this gearbox because, I mean, you only need to look at the ground. It's bone dry, and 75-year-old lathe or a 70-year-old lathe or whatever it is, if there are any, it's either got exceptionally good seals in it and they haven't leaked in 70 years, or the gearbox is empty, or it's, like I say, it doesn't hold any oil anyway. But that's for another video, guys. I think it's the motor that's noisy. But anyway, guys, that's just a quick demonstration of the new Colchester lathe. I'll put a bit of stock in and we'll see how it trims it up.
Like that there, and you've got the cross feed.
I don't think the lathe's too bad. I think it's alright, it just wants a service. Like I say, eventually I will make a video of restoring this lathe, guys, or getting it, at least getting it serviceable anyway. I might paint it, see what happens. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.